Mukesh Ambani, a titan of Indian industry. Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, is a driving force in business. His impact on India's economy and the global landscape is undeniable. With a net worth around $115 billion USD in 2024, he's among the wealthiest individuals globally. Early life and education. Born in 1957 in Aden, Yemen, Mukesh is the son of Dhirubhai Ambani, founder of Reliance. He earned a bachelor's in chemical engineering from UDCET Mumbai. Mukesh briefly pursued an MBA at Stanford. He dropped out to join Reliance and contribute to the family business. Born April 19, 1957. Father Dhirubhai Ambani. Degree Chemical Engineering. Joining Reliance and early career. Backward integration joined Reliance in 1981, contributing to its strategic backward integration initiatives. Reliance Infocom played a key role in establishing Reliance Infocom, now known as Reliance Communications. Jamnagar Refinery spearheaded the construction of the world's largest grassroots petroleum refinery in Jamnagar. It produces 68.2 million tons per year. Taking over as chairman. Assumed chairmanship. Resolved disputes. Expanded business. In 2002, Mukesh became chairman after his father's death. He resolved ownership issues with his brother Anil through a family agreement. He focused on expanding core businesses and diversifying into new sectors, leading to market growth. Business ventures and diversification. Reliance Jio revolutionized Indian telecom with affordable data. Jio has over 470 million subscribers in 2024. Reliance Retail, India's largest retailer with 18,000 plus stores. It spans across the country and provides a wide variety of services. Reliance Industries, one of India's largest companies by market capitalization, valued at over $240 billion USD. Philanthropy and social initiatives. Reliance Foundation focuses on rural transformation, health, education, and disaster response across India. Mission Anna Seva committed 5,000 crore, approximately $600 million USD, to address hunger in India. Healthcare programs. Forbes ranking ranked among Forbes list of the world's most powerful people. Asian leader named Asian Business Leader of the Year by CNBC. Otmar Gold Medal awarded. The Otmar Gold Medal for contributions to science and chemistry. Conclusion. Mukesh Ambani's visionary leadership transformed Reliance into a global powerhouse. His influence has spurred economic growth and technological advancement in India. Ambani's focus on innovation, sustainability, and social responsibility shapes his legacy. He stands as one of the most influential business leaders of the 21st century.